Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing, because like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you
I found my place.
I see your face, and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. With you,
with you,
with you,
with you.
love is an open door.
I mean, it's crazy.
What?
We finish each other's
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
I've never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx, jinx again. Our mental synchronization can have but one explanation.
You
And I
were
just meant to be. Say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past.
We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Life can be so much more with you,
with you, with you.
Love is an open door.
Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something even crazier? Yes!
Happy birthday, John! McDonald's post po yung last natin. Habang sinasabi natin yung last word na the magic word. Okay, ready na po ba? Ready na lahat? Okay, ini-invite ko po ang lahat na tumayo po tayo. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Ano nangyari? Okay. Sige, isang maha. Ito, game na talaga. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, once again, palakpakan natin our celebrator for today. Jan, thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, come here, Jamie. Ayan. Come here, Jamie. Okay, ilan taon na si Jamie? Dito, harap ka sa camera yan. Artista tayong dalawa. Ilan taon na si Jamie? 7 years old. Okay, Jamie, kinakabahan ka ba? Kinakabahan ka? Oh, okay lang yung feelings mo. Okay? So, may itatanong lang ako sa'yo, then kapag nasagot mo siya, meron kang prize sa akin. Okay? Ready ka na ba? Ready? Dapat ready ka. Okay. My question is, 4 times 5 times 8 times 3 divided by 21. Biro lang. Okay. Ayan. Ano na? Ilang taon na si Jan? 7. Palakpakan po natin si Jamie. Thank you very much. Okay, kids. Kailangan ko ng 10 kids. Go! First stand. Punta sa unahan. Ayan. Okay, sige, lahat ng kids, mag-join na. Come here. Go, kids. Yung first stand natin, dumami. So, lahat na mag-join. Come here, Jamie. Join ulit, Andre. Come here. PRJ, Faith. Okay, kids. Form a big circle. Big circle.
I have a dream, something that I wanted to achieve in my lifetime, and I wanna show the best of me. I know I'll make it through. If I believe that I can make I'll never stop until I reach the sky. I know my dreams will happen, I can fly. I'll reach for the sky. I will not give up. Even if I fall, I won't give in to my troubles. I will stand tall. My feet is firmly standing on the ground. I believe that I can make it happen, no matter what they say. Nobody can stand in my way. Reach for the sky, dream and aim high. I won't let anybody turn my spirit down. Whatever it takes, I'll stand on my faith. I'll never stop until I reach the sky. I know my dreams will happen, I can fly. I'll reach for the sky. Reach for the sky. No matter what they say, no matter what they do, I'll hold on and make it through. And I will reach for the sky, dream and aim high. I won't let anybody turn my spirit down. Whatever it takes, I'll stand on my faith. I'll never stop until I reach the sky. I will reach for the sky, dream and aim high. Won't let anybody turn my spirit down. Whatever it takes, I'll stand on my faith. I'll never stop until I reach the sky. I know my dreams will happen, I can fly. I'll reach for the sky. Reach for the sky.
Okay, Ethan, message mo para kay Jan.
Happy birthday.
Bunsa, dito ka muna. Huwag ka muna umupa. Dito ka na muna. Okay, message mo para kay Jan.
Happy birthday, John.
Okay, palapakan po natin si Andre. Picture ka muna, mi Jan. Okay, next, si Viventia Beans Manan. Marcela Xavier Matthew.
Happy birthday, John. DM! Look! Be a good friend.
Okay, thank you very much. Picture taking muna, Matthew. Uy, Jan. Okay, pula nga yung balloon. Okay, Tyron Sayon. Okay, message mo para kay Jan.
Happy Happy birthday, John.
Okay, thank you very much. Dito ka muna. Picture taking muna kayo with Jan. Okay, next. Resurrection Kevin. Greetings mo para kay Jan. Ang message mo.
Happy birthday, John.
Okay, thank you very much. Picture taking muna with Jan. Okay. Thank you very much, Jan. Blow mo na yung candle. Bawag isa. Doon ka mag-start ang muna. Advance. Okay, parapakan lang po natin yung 7 candles natin. Happy. Thank you, kids.
I've been to so many moments in my life, but I can find anyone to turn to but you, only you, always you. And when all that's around me are falling, you will remain there and stand just for me. Always you, only you. In my weakest times, you were so strong. When all hope is gone, you carry on. From my strength from you, when I could no longer find any of it in me, you brought back.
And more birthdays to celebrate.
I can't fight to
Birthday, John. I wish you all the best, and I hope we will remain to be best friends until we grow up. Happy birthday! Namimiss kita na.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Sana maging lumaki kami malusog, maging mabait na bata. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, John. I wish that all your dreams will come John, happy birthday. I love you. Take one help. Joy and lots of love. And all the people that surround you. God bless. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
On behalf of Daddy, happy birthday. We wish you all the best. Be always good. Be good boy always. Like ka makikinig sa mommy and sa daddy, kay kuya and kay ate. Okay? 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 Happy birthday.
Okay, go. That was good. One more. Go.
So, happy birthday! boy, anak. Laging susundin yung sinasabi ni mami at ni daddy, ha? Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you.
Thank you very much, Mommy.
No matter where I go, every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown. Through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. Beside me, stay. In this moment, let me say, you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are away with you. All that I can be means so much 'cause you believe in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your love and smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment let me say, turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are awake with you.
Hello? Hello, kids? Hello? John, tell them to be quiet. Okay. Now, first and foremost, gusto ko po magpasalamat doon sa mga magulang. No, kung hindi nyo pinayagan ng inyong mga anak, hindi po magiging masaya na aming anak. Okay? So, thank you po sa inyong pagpunta, sa inyong pong pagtitiwala. Sana magkita po ulit tayo next year. No? Maraming pong salamat. Hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan. Salamat po na marami. Naging kabahagi po kayo sa karawan, 7th karawan ng aming anak. Marami pong salamat. Thank you. God bless.